Good afternoon, everyone. I am honored to be here and represent the foundation, the community, to recognize Credit Valley on its 25th anniversary. As a proud Streetsville resident, for many years it's comforting to me to know that this hospital is here for my family, for my neighbors, and my community. For 25 years now, Credit Valley has been a cornerstone to this great city. It has been embraced by a community of supporters even before the hospital opened its doors. I'd like to recognize Councillor Katie Mahoney, who just arrived, and she was one of those first people before the hospital opened who was knocking on doors. Individuals, businesses, schools, and service clubs rallied together. Before the first baby was born and the first patient was cared for, hundreds of dedicated supporters worked alongside our staff, our physicians, and our administrators for our hospital to make Credit Valley a reality. These crusaders were out in a big way, spreading the word about, and I quote the Mississauga News, Ontario's newest and finest hospital. They held door-to-door raffles, bake sales, hockey tournaments, and more. They were raising funds, and they were communicating an important message, which was and actually still is, we are building something to be proud of. There is a lot of pride in this hospital. There were dances too. Some of you actually may remember that first hospital ball in 1983. And in fact, Madam Mayor, I just shared a photo with her of her and Mr. McCallion dancing up a storm on the dance floor in 1983. Since then, we've actually evolved this ball into a dazzling gala where hundreds of supporters every year come and raise actually so far more than $4 million. It is remarkable to me that many of these hardworking individuals that contributed to Credit Valley at a grassroots level still remain committed to healthcare in this community and to Credit Valley. So on behalf of the foundation and the foundation board of directors, today and over the years, I'd like to thank every single person who has attended an event, organized a fundraiser, volunteered, and made a gift to this hospital from $10 right through. You make a difference. You are an important part of our history, and you will ensure a sustainable future for us. Generous benefactors and volunteers such as Marie Clipperton, who was there in the beginning and is a longstanding gala committee leader, or Margaret McIver, the first official president for the volunteer partners. They're both here with us today. There are many past leadership volunteers here, and I don't want to forget anybody, but I know Bob Gillespie is here, Coke Snell, Henry Stewart, and Elaine Horner, so welcome back to your hospital. Across the spectrum, all have transformed this hospital from a farmer's field to a first-class healthcare center. More than dollars, our supporters stand as the voice of the community. Through their support, they express loud and clear how important the Credit Valley Hospital is to us and to this community. Their voice has clearly been heard. Today, I also want to pay special tribute to our 8th anniversary sponsors. These individuals and organizations represent a close partnership in healthcare, and their commitment to Credit Valley is exceptional. So if I can just thank Amgen Canada, Baxter Canada, GSK GlaxoSmithKline, and I'd like to recognize Karen Chow, one of our directors on the foundation board, Mary Kay Cosmetics, S&C Partners, LLP Chartered Accountants, and Kayla McDonald is here, one of our foundation boards of directors. Thank you. Sharp Canada, Michelle Darling and Michael Egan, our vice chair. Michelle is our vice chair of the foundation board and longstanding supporter, and of course, Orlando Corporation. Their investment in, yes, thank you. Their investment in Credit Valley's 25 anniversary year-long celebration will allow us to raise awareness in the community about our hospital's priority needs, and inspire a new generation of individuals, businesses, schools, and service clubs to follow their lead, to become crusaders for the next 25 years. We all know that good health means everything, and we know that our stakeholders and donors make good health possible in this community. Together, we in fact are creating better health care.